Okay guys, so we'll need sugar, water, and a cup, and measuring cup, and a spoon, and a plastic spatula. So we have plastic spatula right here. Wait guys, we got a spoon.
Need to know how much water to fill it with.
Then fill the cup with 50 milliliters of water using the measuring cup. Okay guys, we're back. We have the water. Now, we filled the cup with 50 ml of water using the measuring cup. Now, with the plastic spatula, add spoons of sugar up to the cup.
1. Let me do it. I'll do it. There you go. 1, 2. Maybe 2. 2. And now it's 2. There we go.
Okay, 2 spoons.
Okay.
Now, stir the water and the sugar mixture with the spoon. Hey guys. Now we're gonna continue adding sugar to the mixture until it becomes impossible to dissolve anymore. Okay guys, we got the sugar again. Ooh. Now we're just gonna
It's on that side, that side.
open it. What does dissolve mean? Okay, I can still see it.
Now it is. Is it?
No, I can still see it. Cailee, stop!
Want to see it?
Stop!
Okay, Mama.
Leave me alone.
Connor, don't.